What's going on, everybody? My name's Ace, and today I got something a little special for y'all because I don't even know what's in these things. Let me rephrase, I know what they are, but I don't. Let me explain. So these are Art of Play mystery decks. Simply put, when I was building this little coffee bar that's now turned into a bar also, I wanted some art on the wall that I kind of thought would be like a nice little signature thing to have around here. You know, when somebody walks in, they don't just notice just the bar, but also everything around it. I got this idea from Chris Ramsey about playing cards, because there's always these different themes of playing cards, and so about 2 months ago, I started making a little bit of a collection. It's probably one of the coolest things that I've ever had to experience. It's probably put me in a little bit of debt, especially in the 2 months that I've been collecting, but you know what? I'll take it. Chris Ramsey, thanks. So what we have over here are Art of Play mystery decks, and Art of Play works with so many different types of designers, and they have a ginormous set of playing card options that you can get. So anything with different themes. Been waiting so long to open these things, and now I am excited. Here we go. Starting with the first one. Now, let's go and just take a look right here. As a matter of fact, I even brought my little mini lamp so that you guys can see this too. Oh, that's a little bright. Hold on, let me turn this down. Alright, so if you look real close, you can kind of see it's got a stamp right there that says Art of Play. Alright, and this is like a wax stamp, which I think is pretty cool for a mystery deck. Now, it's my first time opening one of these things, so if I mess it up, I'm sorry. We'll figure it out. Alright, so let's go and start. Starting with this one. I actually don't know how I'm supposed to open this. Do I just pull off from the stamp? Oh, yep, just pull it from the stamp. There we go. Alright, now, watch this. Here we go. Pull that stamp. It opens up like a present. Oh, this is different. Okay, what we have here are lucky draw playing cards. Normally they say where the designer's at. Here we go. Designed by CDCO Partners. I'm gonna have to look that up. So I've only recently started this playing card collection, so I'm still learning so much about this stuff. But when I heard Art of Play, I really had to take a bite. One of the biggest things about here is that each one of these playing cards are $12.99 a piece. And quite honestly, you pretty much get equivalent or more of what you pay for with these cards. So let's look up these real quick. Looks like we hit the big one for our first deck. And the reason why I say that is because one of the biggest things about the mystery decks, they don't just have decks that are on the website. They also carry old decks that are not in stock anymore, or limited editions that are also not in stock. So we might have hit one of those, because I am not seeing it. Let me see if I can find it on eBay or something. Lucky draw playing cards. Nope, that's not it either. Oh, wait. Okay, so I'm seeing a variation of it. Apparently it's got like a black, red, and white version of it. And those are only 15 bucks, being sold on eBay. Okay, here's another variation. It's got like a black, brown up here, and green and white. Those are selling for 25 bucks. So from what I'm seeing right here, I'm not able to find it anywhere. If y'all are able to find one of these online, let me know. Let's go ahead and open these up. I really hate the plastic. You can either find them or you cannot find that pull tab. In this case, I cannot find that pull tab. All right, we'll pull it from the top then. Here we go. Golly. Come on now. I have two pet peeves. Now, the second one, it's not really that much of a big pet peeve, but it does affect the box and everything. I hate the plastic, straight up hate the plastic. I understand it's there for probably transportation and, you know, protection and whatnot, but I straight up just hate this plastic. All right, if we can go without this plastic, like go with those little plastic hard cases. Like those would be amazing. I don't know how much those are. I don't think they're that much. Go with the plastic hard cases. That way all you gotta do is pull them right out of the box. I'll throw trash away later. All right, cool. Now, time to open this up. I need my kniffy. All right, we're just gonna rip right along the top right there. Come on now, we gotta be careful. Now, one of the biggest staples to these playing cards is they are made with some high quality material typically. So, let's see what we get right here. See, I really hate this. I'm trying to pull out the tab. I already ripped the box a little bit. I don't know how well you can see that. Stamps, I'm telling you. All right, so when you open it up, you got this little tab right here. All right, pull the cards out. Oh, all right, here we go. So the two jokers are actually very similar. Same thing with the backs. The backs are all the same. Like you can actually flip this around and won't affect the orientation, which I guess is a big deal to like magicians and stuff like that. So let's see how they spread. Oh yeah, that quality is great. One second. Oh, back spread. I'm terrible at this. This is something I'm still working on. Aces, they got like their own unique design. Oh, okay, so these are the face cards, as you can see. So they've got like this crazy, I don't know what to describe this pattern, more of a square pattern, diagonal pattern, so to say. All right, next deck. Ooh, flying dog. Okay, oh, look at that. Flying Dog art collection. Oh yeah, Art of Play is stationed out. That's the military in me. Art of Play is located out in California. Golly. All right, let's get this opened up. All right, so there's nothing special on the underside right there. All right, let's just get the cards out now. I missed a couple. Still got that sticker right there on the inside. Oh, okay. All right, so this is pretty cool. For what I'm seeing, two individual different jokers. Whoa, okay. Check this out. All right, so each one of these faces have some type of art style to it. That is cool. Okay, I'm in love with this set right here. What's the back look like? I haven't looked at the back yet. Okay, that's pretty cool. So the back's got like a painted on clown, basically. Basically what you've seen on the box so far. That right there. Oh yeah, pricing. Let's look at the prices real quick. 25 bucks. Again, each one of these decks are only 13 bucks a piece, which is really cool. All right, add that to the stack. Cool, next one. All right, get this open. Ooh. Oh, these are ones I've been wanting. All right, favorite animal in the world, it's a bear, all right? And they make Smokey Bear playing cards right here. I really wanted these right here. All right, thank God. First off, thank you. No freaking stamp. Awesome. The stamps do look cool. Don't get me wrong. But when it comes to like preserving the boxes, they're absolutely terrible. All right, no stamp. Let's go and get these open. Oh wait, I forgot to look. All right, cool. So this is the box. All right, official Smokey the Bear playing cards. Designed by Sam Larson, printed in the USA. Good old USA. All right, let's see. That back design, look at that. All right, cool. So only downside is back design. Obviously, if you flip it around, it's gonna make it different from the rest of the cards, but that's okay. This would be the ones you just play with, and then a good display piece. All right, cool. So you see that right there, Art of Play, and now it starts. Oh wait, what's that? If it's too hot to touch, it's too hot to leave. I like it. Now you got the different animals popping up. 1 second, let me get back to you there. I'm not gonna lie, I need to get me like an overhead cam. Okay. Owl. There you go. Oh, I like that. Those are Smokey the Bear playing cards. Yep, 15 bucks. All right, next deck. The People Are Thirsty. Tom's Distilling Company Town. Oh, that's pretty cool. Something I can add to the rest of my alcohol decks. Oh, that's a crazy looking sticker. I kind of want to look up the price of this deck before I open it. Because, like, look at this. All right, that's the front. There's the back. Even the side's got a pretty decent design right there. And then look at that stamp right there. I freaking hate stamps, but that is a cool looking stamp. Looks like these are price dropped right now to 15 bucks. Oh, Oh, I gotta show you guys this. Look at that design just right on the flap. And under the flap. Look at that design under there. Oh, that back though. Here's the back. The Jokers. You got like this, I want to say that's a kangaroo. It might be a rabbit. But either way, I really don't know how to describe these. Just animal Jokers right here. But they got like this crazy line art design. And then the face cards. Next one, we're on number 5. Ooh. The Thunderbird Room? The Fulton's Thunderbird Room. Oh, this is interesting. Hold on now. Okay. So this is the face right here. On the back. $15. Okay. Again, you're still getting your money's worth out of this. 13 bucks a piece for these. And yeah. $15. You're not losing. So, all right. So, battery died. So I'm glad I caught up before I went too far into it. Face cards. You got the Jokers right here. Both Jokers are the same. You got a cactus on the ace. I believe the other aces are all the same. Well, not all the same, but like they're all just normal. Yeah, they're all normal. But the face cards, they got like this little unique color layout design basically for it. But other than that, they're just normal face cards. Here's the backs for them. I want to leave that front one just because it looks good sitting there right now. You know, it's time for a sip. Alrighty, here we go. Oh, what? Messymod. This one's got like a textured box to it. That's pretty neat. Here's the box right here. It's got a little bit of that foiling on there with that red, looks like. Alright, same on the top with that sticker. And then the back. I'm assuming that's going to be the back design, which in my opinion looks really awesome. 12 bucks. Alright, so this is going to be one of the few that we lose money on. Right there. I don't know how well you can see on the camera. It looks like it's marked down from 15. So the original price is 15. And so I'm going to say it's 15 bucks. We got our money's worth. Okay, so it's got that in the flap right there. It was like an atom, honestly. On the inside, for the inside flaps, you got a key and like a magnet. Oh, hold on. Okay, that is probably by far my favorite back design right there so far. Next is Smokey the Bear. Love me some Smokey. You got 2 Jokers, and they look to be identical Jokers. Yeah, they are identical Jokers. Exactly the same. Here are your Jokers right here. Look at that ace right there. Okay, that's pretty cool. So, here's the Joker. Get this where you guys can see it. Joker, Queen, King. Dude, this is actually really cool. I kind of like that. Got 4 more to go. I might try to do this like at least once a month. Go back in. Nice. Oh, what in the world? Stranger. That's what it's saying. Okay, it says on the stamp. Found the one benefit for a freaking stamp. You can read it. Here's the box design. You see why it's kind of hard to read? There are letters up in here, but I'm trying to figure out also what that gold says right there. And it is 25 bucks on eBay. Oh, okay, so no, so there's another one that has a silver face to it, I guess, and those are 25 bucks. We have the gold face. These are 30. Okay. All right. Let's drop that value and open up this sticker. All right. You'll see why I did that in a sec. All right. Ready? The reveal. First off, that flap is actually pretty cool. Anyway, the reveal. They've got gold borders. Holy, oh, they feel different too. Hold on now. It makes them a little bit thicker because of that. Oh my. They've got foiling on the back too. Dude, oh my God. Wait, are each one of these, all right, so these are the Jokers. Oh. I keep wanting to look at that camera too. This is neat. All right, so each one of these has their own design. I'm gonna show it to where you guys can see it. All right, first off, you see that gold edge right there? Each one of these has their own design to it. That is insane. Good. New favorite right here. New favorite. Oh my, these are awesome. Oh, I wish I had time to go through all of this. This is gonna be a long video if I do. Wait, what? Oh, that makes sense. Designed by Stranger in collaboration with Dan and Dave. I've seen a couple of Dan and Dave's playing cards, and that's where they get the whole color border and everything, right? There's this card right here. That's the reason why I bring it up. There's a card right here talking a little more detail of, you know, who it's by and everything. Dan and Dave makes incredible freaking cards, incredible looking cards, and this is, they didn't cheap out with this one too. Like, each one of these is its own design, and this is insane. Like, absolutely insane. New favorite deck right here. All right, 3 more. I'm enjoying these. I hope you guys are too. If you are, leave a comment, let me know, like and subscribe. We'll keep going with this. I plan on doing this probably at least once a month because, you know, paychecks. Here we go, here we go. Oh, Cybernetic playing card. No sticker. I love you guys. I love you guys. All right. Cybernetic playing cards. It's still got the wrapping on there. I gotta take that off. These feel interesting in the hand. Like, they feel heavy. Like, that's a solid brick right there. You'll understand why I made that face in a sec. All right, first off, look at that tab. That tab is actually pretty cool. No design on the top end. We're good on that. 12 bucks. Down price from 18. I'm still gonna say they're 18 bucks. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Oh, that's probably why they felt like a brick too. More plastic. The back design, it's different. I don't know how to describe it. It's just different. Oh, wait, hold on now. Oh, that's got like some foiling around there. You guys can't see it. Hold on. We don't know what these designs are supposed to represent. So if you guys know something, let me know. But, yeah. Oh, wait, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna put this up there just because I don't want to read, but if you guys want to read that, pause the video. 2 more to go. Here we go. U.S. regulation playing cards by DKNG. DKNG? I think I might have seen these before. There we go. 15 bucks. And I'm seeing right here that they've got different colors to all these things, so that's pretty cool. Oh, got a drink. All right. That is up on the front, shuffle up and deal. I like it. It says it right there. Shuffle up and deal. Oh, that's pretty neat. Look at this. It says right there, Art of Play. And on this side, DKNG Studios. Oh, look at that Joker. Oh. All right, so one's kind of like a dark gold type deal. I wouldn't even describe it as yellow. It's definitely like a darker, you know, shade of gold, and this was more like a tint of gold. I need to get me a drop down camera. All right, so those are the face cards right there, right? We're getting ready for a last one. So, drum roll, please. I need y'all to finish the drum roll. We got a second set of the Thunderbird ones. All right, well, at least I'll have like a deck to play with now. These can just stay sealed. All right, that was a cool set. Oh yeah, I'm excited to check out next month's bit. All right, those are the Art of Play mystery decks. 13 bucks a piece. You are definitely getting your money's worth out of it. Even though you don't know what you're getting. I mean, if you get 2, you got 1 for display and 1 to play with. So I don't see a problem with that. In the meantime, if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead, like, subscribe, tell me what you want to see, and we'll make something happen. In the meantime, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and see you around. Yeah, buddy.